Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Semco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you how to operate laser marking machine. So, firstly, we will know what is laser marking. A laser marking machine is that it can write and can draw any design without any ink. Instead of ink, it marks with the help of laser beams. And now we will know why we need of laser marking machine. As we know, laser marking machine can write and can draw any logo or design, and also you can set this machine on any conveyor system. With this machine, we can print or mark any product details or logo on any polybag or any fabric, and on any plastic bottles, metals, woods and mirrors. This machine can use especially for cold marking. Cold marking means mark on those materials that don't require too much heat and prefer cold marking, and it's also doesn't produce heat on reflective materials like copper, brass, gold. This is the main advantages of this machine. This machine can use in all industries like automobile sector, medical lines, furniture industries, food packaging, leather and fabric industries, and electronic industries, etc. Just like in food packaging industry for marking product details on plastic bottles, glass bottles or metal bottles, and in medical lines for branding on medical devices, equipments and barcode, QR code, fiber laser marking on medicine with MRP or expiry date, etc. And in leather and fabric industry for branding on leather belts, purse, bags, diary covers, etc. And in electronics industries for branding on LCD screens, monitor screens or frames and phone case cover, glass, electronics chips, etc. And for interior, exterior, nameplate marking on metal, stone or PVC boards, etc. Now we will know how to operate this fiber laser marking machine. So here we have a 30-watt fiber laser marking machine. You can see this machine has its own CAD software for draw the things which we want to print. For marking any design or logo, firstly we have to draw the diagram or text. If we want to print any text on any materials, firstly we have to click on text. We have to tap here, then we need to type the text we want to print. So here we are typing Semco. You can see if we apply here, then it will change the text. Here we can hatch the text according to our desire. Now we will tap on light. You can see this red light is showing where it will mark the text. So you can see this is showing the red light where we will mark the logo of Semco. For marking this logo, we have to tap on mark. Now you can see marking is done. Now you can see the logo has printed. You can see the quality of printing. Marking is clearly. You can see. As you can see, this is portable laser marking machine. You can take it wherever you want to take, and you can mark anywhere you want to mark. So this is all about 30-watt fiber laser marking machine. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.